What's going on, everyone? It's been a while since I've left a post here on the Discord, but I think I'm literally about to break the internet. Quite literally. I've been implementing new ideas for this creative finance calculator that I made maybe about 3-4 months ago, and I've been trying to find ways to speedline acquisitions and dispositions. And last couple of days I've been working really hard on the source code to create LOIs for subject to and cash. And this is going to be a live demonstration of what I was able to create here. I think it's pretty badass. It's going to save me a crap ton of time, and I can probably send out 100 offers a day with ease. So check this out. If I click on this button over here, which has the source code, it's basically going to auto-populate information for cash versus a subject to offer for each individualized property that I have saved under my lead generation template. And so I'm going to click on this button right now, and you're going to see a ton of LOIs literally auto-populate with the math involved and personalized for each property in a couple of seconds. Here we go. So as this is going, you can see on the left-hand side of your screen is where the PDF is being saved. I think I have a total of about 50 LOIs that are cash versus subject to offers. So if you're having difficulty with underwriting, then this would probably be something that would benefit you because the math is being done for you. Wow, it is still going. All right, it just finished. So I don't know what was the timestamp on that. Date modified, so 4:48 p.m., 4:47 p.m., so literally in 60 seconds or less, we have constructed 48 LOIs. 48 LOIs in under a minute for cash versus SubTo. So if I click on any single one of these, you're going to see cash offer, creative finance offer, and then a bunch of information pertaining to credibility and what the seller can expect. So I try to make this as professional as I can. When you send out an offer to an agent or a seller, you really want to stand out from the rest of the crowd. And so now this is pretty much ready to go, auto-populated, and with the coding that I've done with the email associated with the Excel, I can now auto-attach all these and send out a bunch of emails at the exact same time with the LOIs to their respective email addresses. So pretty dope. Just want to share that, and I hope everyone's having a great day.